The laziest rice cooker hack. Garlic chicken and onion rice. 鶏と玉ねぎの炊き込みご飯。150 grams of rice, Japanese short grain. Wash the rice until the water runs clear. Soak it in water until ready to cook later. One teaspoon of garlic. Grate the garlic well. 1 teaspoon of ginger. Grate the ginger well. $130 grams of onion. Cut the onion into quarters. $150 grams of chicken thigh. Chicken breast is also fine. Cut into small bite-sized pieces. Add the grated ginger. Add the grated garlic. 2 teaspoons of sake or white wine. 2 teaspoons of Japanese soy sauce. Coat the chicken well to marinate. While doing other tasks, leave it in the refrigerator for about 10 minutes. One teaspoon of miso. 1 tablespoon of sake or white wine. 1 tablespoon of mirin. 1 tablespoon of Japanese soy sauce. Half tablespoon of sugar. A dash of ajinomoto. Mix well. Add the washed and well-drained rice to the rice cooker pot. 200 ml of water. Add the sauce mixture made earlier. Mix well. Add the marinated chicken. Add the cut onion. Spread the ingredients evenly. Keep the total amount of ingredients below half of the rice cooker pot. Never mix the ingredients with the rice. Place them on top. These prevent the rice cooker sensor from malfunctioning. Place the pot in the rice cooker and cook in the regular white rice mode. Mix well. Add salt and pepper to taste and enjoy. 今日の料理は鶏と玉ねぎの炊き込みご飯でした。Enjoy! Also, I've released some new merch that ships internationally. Please check out the link on the screen.